Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to create this beautiful GIF. So to create this GIF, first you have to go to canva.com and based on the size which you want, you can select here. So I am selecting YouTube thumbnail to create this GIF. Go to elements. I'm going to create a GIF of friendship day. So here you can type friends. Then go to graphics. You can select which one you want. So I'm selecting this picture and then this one. You can resize them. So next I'm selecting some smiley. Copy and paste. Next, you can select some decor animated. So select this. Copy and paste. Next text I'm going to app. So in that I'm going to type craft. In this type craft I'm typing happy. You can see how it comes. Select the font which you want. You can change the color, which color you want. Add element to the design. You can add it here. So you can also change the position here. So after making the adjustments, you can update the element. It will automatically get updated here. So it gets updated here. Same way for next one. Go to the text and type friendship day. And select the font which you want. This outline style which you want. And then the color here. After adjusting, click add element to design. Gets added here. Next, you can give animation for this friendship day. So click animate. Create an animation. And you're just moving it here and there for swing. Click smooth. Then done. Now we have created the GIF. Next we will name them. Now we are going to download by click share. Then download. Select the file type as GIF. And then click download. So you can see this GIF gets downloaded. So it got downloaded. Now if you go and open the downloaded GIF looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.